Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Honda Odyssey key fob. First, gather every key fob you intend to use with your vehicle. This process will erase any previously programmed remotes. Make sure all your vehicle's doors are securely closed and unlocked. You should be seated in the driver's seat, ready to begin the simple programming sequence. To enter programming mode, insert your key into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position, then quickly turn it back to off. Within 5 seconds, press the lock button on your remote for about 1 second. You will repeat this entire on-off lock sequence 2 more times for a total of 3 cycles. Now, turn the ignition to the on position for the 4th and final time. Press the lock button on the remote you are programming. The vehicle's door locks should cycle, indicating that it has successfully entered programming mode. If you have additional remotes, press the lock button on each one within 10 seconds to program them. To complete the process and exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition to the off position. Remove the key from the ignition. It is crucial to test every key fob you have just programmed to ensure they all function correctly. Your vehicle can typically store up to 3 remote transmitters. Congratulations, you have successfully programmed your key fobs and are ready to go.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.